What's going on, guys? It's David back at it here for another video today. And in today's video, I'm checking something. I want to give you one quick tip on one website that everyone should use that will really help you out with whatever you're doing, whatever might need help with. So the trick is, whenever you are not sure about something, or if you want to ask a question, want to learn something new about a topic, any topic, go to this website. It's called Google.com. Yeah, that's right. Google.com. Very simple. You might call me an idiot, call me stupid, call me no duh, Captain Obvious. But, again, common sense isn't always common practice. A lot of times, we use the internet for a lot of reasons. We use it to get work done, do work, browse, buy stuff, watch videos, watch cat videos, have fun, connect with other people. That's what we use the internet for the most part. But when it comes to stuff like trying to start a business or trying to learn something, we always think we need to go to school for that thing, to learn that thing, or we need to ask someone else for help all the time. And then there's nothing wrong with doing that. All those things are awesome. A lot of those things have a lot of benefits too. And you can, like I said, be resourceful. Well, actually, I didn't already say that, but be resourceful. Use all your resources around you, whether it's people, books, videos, all that stuff, courses, classes, school, right? All those things can help you. But if you don't have anyone around you, let's just say you're on your own, most of the time you can actually figure most things out by yourself. And while you might think that, why don't you just ask someone else? Why don't you just, find the easy way out? But having to put a little bit of work or effort into actually finding your answer for the solution to the problem you might have, or something you're thinking about learning or trying to do, is actually actively putting your mind in the state where you're actually putting in some sort of effort. Even though Googling something is super easy, it's not that hard, but just the act of doing it makes you more proactive about learning or going out of your way to, make whatever you want to make happen, right? So you want to learn how to code, you want to learn how to use Photoshop, there's YouTube tutorials for that, right? And so I say the word Google or Google.com because that's basically the main search engine, and that's links to pretty much any website you want to go on. So Google anything, you'll come up a lot of stuff, like whatever you need for the most part. So much information out there, which can be good and bad, but hey, usually good information you'll find it, up there, in the search rankings when you search on Google. So just about anything, Google is your friend. Like, you don't necessarily need a mentor, you don't need a teacher, you don't need school, you don't need another book maybe necessarily. Most of the time, your best friend's gonna be Google. At any time, it's open. She's open 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So, always open, never closed. Not like a library, not like school, not like another human who, hopefully actually sleeps at some point. Anytime, Google's your friend. So yeah, just a quick tip for today. I know, being Captain Obvious, but sometimes you gotta be reminded of the things that are right in front of you and the resources and tools we all have. It's just a matter of actually being resourceful and making the effort to search for the answers to whatever questions, problems, or whatever else we want to learn, or anything really we have, for the most part, of course. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. Peace.